Hi all, I'm Shalmali Zadhav and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I create videos on positivity, productivity and motivation. Well, those of you new here, I'm Shalmali Zadhav, a business coach, a wellness advocate and an avid reader. And I am the founder of two different initiatives, Empathy for You and You Lead. Well, talking about growth today, I know every one of us is hungry for growth. Everyone wants to achieve certain dreams and goals. But most of the times, we are not aware of how to achieve those. Or most of the times, you don't know what are the tips to grow yourself up. We are not aware of some tricks for self improvement. And that is why in today's video, I'm talking about 22 simple ways to grow yourself up. So, are you ready to get on this journey with me? Let's get started. Your morning routine is #1 game changer of the day. Your whole day depends upon the way you start your day. And that is why ignoring your morning routine is not at all recommended. Have a set morning routine every morning. I've always been a fan of self help books. I love how those books provide you with the strategies and then you can make improvements in your life without having to ask others for help. Introspection helps us navigate. Introspection is a gift in that it gives us complete freedom to determine our own future and our own success because we can choose to operate in our areas of strength while acknowledging our weaknesses and managing them. For me, introspection is an art of connecting with my inner self. Every day, at least for a few minutes, you have to be with yourself. It means nothing, but you have to listen to yourself and give yourself what you need rather than trying to please someone else or struggling to be someone who you are not. Do you ever struggle to pay attention towards your health and well being? When we don't prioritize our mind, body, and spirit, everything suffers. Right from your desk and your sleeping patterns are all a part of well being attention. And that is why it is important to pay attention to our mind and body patterns. Deep work sessions are sessions which have a clear purpose and goal. Our brains are also more engaged when they have specific objectives to work towards, so it has a motivational effect too. Think about important work you want to prioritize and what you want to achieve by the end of the session. Have this kind of deep work sessions at least 2 times a day. Choose your priorities, plan your time, and decide what you want to achieve. That makes your deep work sessions more easy. Pandemic has led to major negativity around us. There's so much happening around us, and I totally believe that with so many circumstances, it's difficult to be productive and focus. And that is why this is the most important tip to avoid those things that drain your energy. Avoid reading news, avoid or limit social media usage. That would be really helpful to be productive and focus on your work. Looking at a bigger picture may feel daunting, and that is why I use this trick of breaking down a big goal into smaller plan and actionable steps. I write down the goal, next to it, I write down the plan to achieve that goal, and then I write down the actionable steps. That means breaking down your goal into smaller tasks. While breaking down your bigger goal, look at the big picture. Examine the parts of the task. Think of the logical order of completing the pieces and create a timeline for completing your task. Our life runs on support. Support is the foundation of our life. We support each other in various walks of life. And just like that, it's very important to support each other, especially in this pandemic. If you find someone's work interesting, write a message to that person saying that you are really consistent and I love your work. That would make that person feel good or at least bring a smile on his or her face. Constantly working will surely help you make money, but it will take away all the different things from your life. And that is why resting when you feel tired is really important. Understand your mind's patterns and acknowledge those patterns. Give your mind little breaks. Look up into the corner of the room. Exhale. This engages the calming and restorative wing of the nervous system. If you find someone's work to be good, appreciate it. You can use phrases like good work as always. Thanks for getting this done. You are a lifesaver. Thank you for pulling everything together on such a short notice. I appreciate you getting this to me so quickly that I have time to review it or something else. But do that. Another important self improvement tip is not to keep your knowledge to yourself, but instead sharing it with the world. Sharing your knowledge improves your personal performance, effectiveness, and skills, which should increase your personal profit. Sharing what you know helps you learn by doing research, synthesizing multiple viewpoints, and crystallizing ideas. Creating something and sharing it with the world for free is another one of the best ways to grow yourself up. Sharing knowledge and inspiration is important in our professional spheres. It can foster vision in others and strengthen professional ties. When you share with others, it helps deepen your own knowledge and ingrains what you know. You have your own unique set of skills, knowledge, and experience, and it differs from others. Robin Sharma mentioned about stop doing list in one of his books, and since then it has been a practice for me to create a stop doing list every single day. A stop doing list is simply a list of either tasks, activities, habits, and or behaviors that you are no longer going to do. So do you also wish to create one? I would definitely recommend you to do that. My job, my business, and my personal life all keep me pretty darn busy. It's not all that often that I have any large amount of downtime. When I do end up with downtime, I always find myself feeling a little unsure of what to do with my time. Now, I have learned to have a productive downtime. I have talked enough about the importance of learning something new every day. A new skill can be a great stress reliever. It helps us break out normal patterns of our behavior. It gives our brain something to think about rather than our daily worries. This is for everyone out there. No matter whether you are a housewife, no matter whether you're an entrepreneur or a student, sticking to a schedule really helps everyone. When it's done effectively, it helps you. Understand what you can realistically achieve within that time. Have enough time for your family, friends, exercise, and hobbies too. A pep talk is a short speech intended to encourage people to work harder or try to win a game or a competition. A pep talk motivates you and inspires to do something that you haven't tried earlier. It definitely makes you believe in your abilities and have faith in yourself. Join like minded communities like book clubs, business groups, gardening groups, etc., and there are a lot of other ideas. The best thing about finding like minded people is that it allows you to be yourself. You can enter the space without no fear of judgment. Keeping learning constantly is one of the best ways to grow yourself up. Your learning shouldn't be only limited to your education you seek. Learning does not end once you graduate or you get passed out from school. The more you learn, the more knowledge and ideas you can share with the people around you. Learning keeps you busy and it helps you to spend time productively. Writing down 5 best moments from the day have been a practice since long. I have always loved writing down 5 cherished worthy moments from my day. It could be as simple as writing down the best show that you binge watched on Netflix. What happens when you write down these moments is that it helps you go back in the time and understand what's really important and what you enjoy doing. And that is one of the best ways to introspect and self reflect. That's it, friends. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you found out these tips to be helpful and useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll meet you soon in the next video. Bye.